Hello, little kids. Welcome to Funtale Kids. Today we are going to speak and learn together. Let's say some easy and fun sentences with mommy, daddy, or your friends. Are you ready? Let's go. This is my book. This is my book. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. I am happy. I am happy. I can jump high. I can jump high. He is my friend. He is my friend. We go to school. We go to school. She has a red ball. She has a red ball. Open the door, please. Open the door, please. The bird can fly. The bird can fly. I can draw a star. I can draw a star. The dog is running. The dog is running. We play together. We play together. Thank you, students. Bye bye.